Samsung just dropped its biggest fold leak yet, and it's a game changer. Not only do we have our first real look at the Z Fold 7, but the mystery around the rumored Ultra model is finally solved. Let's break it all down. Design confirmed. This is the first official glimpse of the Z Fold 7, and it's straight out of Samsung's marketing playbook. The design? Sleek, slim, and everything we hoped for. Early rumors nailed it. The Z Fold 7 is set to be Samsung's thinnest foldable ever, rivaling the Oppo Find N5. Even Samsung's recent teaser video hinted at this ultra-slim profile. So, consider those leaks confirmed. Hinge and display upgrades. But here's what really stands out. The hinge. Gone are the days of that awkward gap when folded. Samsung's new design integrates the hinge seamlessly, making it flush with the body. Plus, they bumped up the display sizes and widened the aspect ratio. Translation? This might be the first fold that actually replaces your daily smartphone, not just complements it. Ultra branding. Mystery solved. Now, about that Ultra tease. Samsung dropped the name in press releases, sparking speculation, but this leak confirms. It's just the Z Fold 7, no Ultra branding. So why the hype? The answer lies in the camera and AI upgrades, and their next level, camera and AI powerhouse. Samsung's teaser gave us a clear look at the camera module. The headline? A 200-megapixel main sensor, just like the S25 Ultra and S25 Edge. But the real magic is in the AI. Reports say the Z Fold 7 is getting a pro visual engine for sharper images, smoother video, and way better digital zoom. And it gets smarter. The camera will respond to what you're shooting, with AI built directly into the app. No more switching to a separate assistant. Just point shoot and let the tech do the rest. Gemini AI integration. Samsung's also doubling down on Gemini AI, with rumors of Gemini Live features debuting at Unpacked. Imagine your Fold understanding scenes in real time, offering suggestions, or pulling details, all without leaving the camera. And yes, the S25 Ultra will get these updates too, but the Fold 7 gets them first. S25 Ultra bonus tease. Speaking of the S25 Ultra, leaks hint at a bold new color option: dark, premium, and exclusive. So this Unpacked isn't just about foldables. Samsung's flagship is getting fresh too. If you're hyped for the Z Fold 7, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more leaks and updates. This is Atif Official, and I'll catch you in the next one.